Time to integrate a smart lead on our workflow. So let's click on plus bottom and see there were extensions called smart lead that are already built in this smart lead. We search that and click on. There are many functions called create a list, create a campaign, get campaign ID, and list of all leads, fetch lead category. I think we don't found. I don't found. Create a campaign. We don't found out. Upload a list. I simply click on make an API call. Click on that and click on create a connection. And we need the API key of that smart lead. So getting API key on smart lead, click on here, go to setting. Now we are on setting function. Just scroll little bit, click on generate API key, copy this, go back on make.com, paste it, just save it. Now done. Now go back to our smart lead list, close this and copy this. And campaign for adding lead. Okay, this is our API key. Simply paste it here. I go back, I copy this. I think this, copy this and go back to make.com, paste it. I think I already set up API key, you can see that. And now this will be our campaign ID. It can access. For getting campaign ID, I simply need to visit app.smartlead.com email campaign and simply all. So we can do this on a new campaign, not the same. I think I have to. And this is the dumping. Let's click on this. Now copy the campaign ID. Copy this. Now go to the Mac and simply paste it and see the let's refresh this and I again visit to ChatGPT for this. I say ChatGPT to do this work. I simply click on this. I simply write same for smart lead. Click on enter. I think I forget to add URL. Now I can again send with URL. So it is now do the work. I again send it. So it have one lead per 1 second. Function to go to campaign type rate. I'm not getting any dummy data like in JSON. Same not for adding lead in Smartlead. I simply type that and simply click on enter and see the output. Let's see the output. You can do it. Let's go back and make.com and paste our, I think I have paste the same as. Copy this, go back to a Smartlead. To the body. Don't add any data item. Add a query string. I think get method will be get or post. Let's see also that inbound will be our post. Click on, simply paste it. Just save it. Click on run this mode only and see the output.